welcome to the final edition of Tornado Talk for the 2018 to 2019 school year. Most of you probably don't know me, but I'm your host, Wyatt.
And I'm your other host, Keith Lee. Can I give a shout out real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Hey, Mom. I see you back there.
I'd like to give a shout out to Keith Lee's mom also.
Anyways, first off, we got Jay's Sports Highlights.
And look at Randy Orton slithering. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Yo, do you remember that?
No,
You don't remember that?
I don't remember that.
Well, good thing we got senior memories with Dayton.
The singer walk was like really cool, but it was just kind of like realizing that the fact that we're seniors, it was kind of depressing a little bit, but it was really cool.
When I caught a bunny outside of school one morning and I brought it in my purse, and I went around to all of my teachers asking them if I could like keep it in their classroom, and everyone told me no. So I ended up putting it in a box in Miss Tuck's room, and we fed it popcorn, and they had to make an announcement on the intercom and say that we couldn't have wildlife in the school, and they let my bunny go. That was my favorite.
Okay, so in band, right, there was Mackenzie, Kendrea, and Dariana. And they pulled Mackenzie's chair back, and she fell back, so it was funny, so I laughed.
Girl, break your back to this, 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 girl, break your back.
Well, my favorite memory is when me, Meg, Sailor, Claire, and Claire's little sister Olivia, this is like freshman year. Well, it was like a little bit after the 4th of July, and we decided to light a firework from 2 years ago. So, you know, in Sherwood, we got a bunch of trees down there, so they sent me and Sailor to go light it up. And we walked down the little hill, and we lit it up, and then all of a sudden, you know, being me, I ran in the house, so you know, all the others ran around the house. Stupid.
Coach Cisco putting on a wig.
Come on, Coach. You gotta wear it.
And he looked like a a very strange woman. A very, very, very creepy woman. Creepy woman. You just don't need to wear wigs no more. And
Cool hat.
Thanks, man.
You look like a genie.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's funny because our next segment is a genie segment with Autumn and Bianca.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
Hey guys, as a graduation gift for me, we're gonna go see my friend Autumn. She's like a fortune teller person.
Who's that?
Autumn, you don't know her?
No.
She hot?
Maybe. And we're just gonna go get our fortune told and see where we're gonna be like when we grow up.
What?
So guys, group hug. I'm gonna miss y'all. Not really, but get in!
Think like you like.
Look,
Why are we all sitting in chairs different? What can I do for you?
I'd just like to know what I'm going to be doing in the future.
Give me a second.
What does that do?
Nothing. Just comforts me. Give me your palms. Yeah. You like feet?
Yeah.
I can see you being a toe surgeon.
Alright.
And I want to know what I'm going to be like in the future.
Okay, I can do that.
To the best.
You heard correct. Give me your hands. Oh, yeah. I see very, very big things in your future.
Really?
Yes, huge. Who next?
Why?
Can I pick my fortune? Yes, I can. Give me your palm. You're gonna be very disappointed in about 20 years. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
You're gonna be rich, Nick. You're gonna be a banker. Do you not believe me?
I don't like math, so.
That's why you hire an accountant. How can I help you?
I just want to know what my future holds. What?
A chance like any horses or like any farm animals?
No.
Well, you might want to invest in a farm.
Why?
See very country things for you, Dayton.
Oh god.
Give me my fortune, Autumn the Great.
Okay, just give me a second. You like rap music? Oh wait, don't answer that. You don't. Well, I see a marriage in your future that involves a rapper. How do you feel about that? I wonder if I can read my own fortune.
What was that?
It's throwback. Now on to Snapchat throwbacks by Keithley.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go now.
Couch.
Boy, if you don't get.
Yeah, attention, Nelson.
Joking on there for
Okay, put that in, please.
No.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Kickster here, coming at you with a brand new video. We're gonna do a 1v1 fist only.
Hey, let me back, Miss Tuck. Oh, I'll have this room break. Whoa, I'm ready to get out of here.
Long time no see, buddy.
Daddy. Ah! Hey, Snapchat. Snapchat.
Oh, don't do that.
Someone's gonna come in here. I hope they do. Wait.
Dude, have you ever like parkoured before?
Yeah, Brady taught me.
Who's Brady?
Brady's parkour, like in this video. Here in the sleepy neighborhood of Windrum Hills, we find Brady Coleman. He is the creator of a popular YouTube channel called Brady's Parkour. Here's an example of his work.
Oh my god.
Those are some ugly plants.
Hey guys.
He is known for skating, scootering, and of course, parkour.
Well, ever since my channel really broke out, it just kind of blew up so quickly, and so many people were throwing themselves at me that I just had to kind of escape the town and escape my way over to a little secluded area like this. Yeah, I try to skate and scoot as much as possible whenever I can. It's really what keeps my adrenaline going. Well, I actually don't live here, and I don't even know whose dogs these are, but I couldn't pay for a house like this off that, so I actually just live out in the woods over there.
Anyways, I've been really wanting to start in filmmaking. So, on YouTube, not like, you know, making movies. YouTube.
It's crack-a-lackin' dudes. Boarding, you know. Hold on. Forgot what I was gonna. Okay.
Do a little
let's not
boogie
do
boarding
that.
here and there on the pond.
Yeah.
All right. Hang on.
And I just bought me a random Razor scooter just to help me with like warp stabilizer.
Like The Office, all good things must come to an end. Here's The Class by Jake.
Chef Louis 2.
Man, my tummy's rumbling.
I think I could help with that. So it's pretty early, so we're going to be making some pancakes. Almond pancakes.
It's not even morning, it's noon. If anything, it's like afternoon.
We're going to show y'all the best way of how to cook pancakes.
Если ты не знал, наркотик не класс. Я еду на Харбас. Если ты не знал, наркотик.
Don't touch my ingredients!
Вы слушаете?
We want food. 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 We
Alright, you got your pancakes.
We want food.
Pancake for you. Pancake for you.
Yeah.
No pancake for you.
Yeah.
Pancake for you.
I don't get a second pancake.
Hey man. Hey, I need some drink. Nah, I'm good. Hold on, no, I gotta be the one pouring the dishes. Haven, that's too much. Is it? That's too much, Haven.
Yeah. It's actually pretty good. I know. I don't even like almond milk. This is good.
You don't?
Not really.
That's quite big. Impressive.
Rotate your body for me. Okay, tilt your head. Lean to the left a little bit. Now smile. finish off this episode of Tornado Talk is a high school recap by Nick and Alex.
Thanks, UCHS.
Why are you the way that you are?